The ethics and future of genetic engineering raise complex questions that involve both scientific advancements and moral considerations. Here are 20 key points to consider. Gene editing technology. Advances in CRISPR-Cas9 and other gene editing technologies have significantly enhanced the precision and accessibility of genetic engineering. Medical breakthroughs. Genetic engineering holds the potential for groundbreaking medical treatments, including gene therapy to cure genetic disorders. Designer babies. The ability to edit genes raises ethical concerns regarding the possibility of creating designer babies with enhanced physical or cognitive traits. Informed consent. Ensuring informed consent is critical, as genetic engineering interventions may have long-term and unforeseen consequences. Ethical guidelines. Establishing clear ethical guidelines for the use of genetic engineering in humans is essential to prevent misuse and unintended consequences. Enhancement versus treatment. Distinguishing between genetic enhancements for non-medical purposes and treatments for medical conditions is a complex ethical challenge. Equality and access. Genetic technologies should be accessible to all, and ethical considerations include avoiding the creation of genetic inequalities. Environmental impact. The release of genetically modified organisms into the environment raises concerns about potential ecological disruptions. Long-term effects. The long-term effects of genetic modifications on individuals and future generations are uncertain and require careful consideration. CRISPR babies controversy. The controversial case of the first gene-edited babies in China in 2018 highlighted the need for ethical oversight and international cooperation. Privacy concerns. Genetic information is highly personal, raising concerns about privacy and the potential misuse of genetic data. Unintended consequences. Genetic modifications may have unintended consequences, and ethical frameworks should account for potential risks. Animal and plant genetic engineering. Genetic engineering extends beyond humans, impacting animals and plants, with ethical considerations related to biodiversity and ecological balance. Global collaboration. Addressing the ethical challenges of genetic engineering requires international collaboration to establish shared principles and regulations.